Hi, I'm Dan Cortopassi. Today I'm reviewing an HO scale 4-car set of Northern Pacific 10,000 series boxcars from Rapido Trains. Rapido offers these cars with different road numbers and paint scheme variations for different eras. Mine are from the 1950s with the large NP Herald and Main Street of the Northwest in script below. Rapido sells these cars individually and in 4-car sets. The MSRP for a single car is $49.95. The MSRP for the 4-car set is $199.80. I paid $149.99 for my 4-car set at modeltrainstuff.com. This review is using the new rules for sets which I discussed in the May 2019 episode of the Daniel Cortopassi Show. Each car gets 100 possible points, so we'll start the set at 400 points. My set arrived with all 4 cars packed in a cardboard shipping box. Each individual car is packaged in a cardboard box with a clear plastic window. Inside, a 2-piece molded plastic cradle protects the model. A sheet is included in each box with prototype information and photos on one side and an exploded view drawing on the other. I discarded the shipping box, but the individual boxes should do a good job to protect the models for storage and transport. I'm glad Rapido included some photos of these cars in the boxes. Photos of these old cars are hard to find, but I did manage to scrounge up a couple shots of these or very similar cars online. The photos I found were from the 1970s when the cars were in company service, looking very beat up. The model appears to be a close match. Rapido does offer these cars with company service road numbers. They would be great candidates for some extreme weathering. The paint on the models is opaque and thin enough not to obscure detail. All of the markings are crisp. Most of the small writing is legible with magnification, though some of it is still hard to read because of the grooves in the simulated wood car siding. In some places the white lettering is not quite fully opaque, but this is only noticeable under very close scrutiny. With some weathering it would look just fine. Each car has freestanding grab irons and delicate stirrups that look to be durable enough to hold up to modest handling. Some of the small details in the doors are molded on but look really good. The doors don't open. On the ends, the cars have freestanding ladders, separately applied grab irons, tack boards, uncoupling levers, and brake hoses. The A ends have a molded-on end door. The B ends have brake levers. On top, the simulated wooden roof walk is a separate part. The corner grabs are freestanding and look to be made of wire, so they should be durable. Underneath, the cars have freestanding brake components. Rapido uses A, B, or K brakes depending on the era of the car. The cars have body-mounted plastic knuckle couplers on both ends. Car 10103 has both couplers mounted at the correct height. On car 11661, both couplers are low, so I'm taking 5 points each. Car 11249 also has 2 low couplers. Car 13294 has a high coupler on the A end and a low coupler on the B end. All of the wheels in all of the cars are engaged according to the NMRA standards gauge. Unfortunately, all of the cars have some body wobble, so I'm taking 5 points each. The cars weigh between 3.7 and 3.9 ounces apiece. The average weight is 3.825 ounces, very close to the 3.75 ounce NMRA recommended weight for cars of this length. All of the cars are very free rolling. Let's see what we've got. 6 out of 8 couplers were at the wrong height, and all of the cars had body wobble, so I took a total of 50 points in the standards and operation category. That leaves us with a total of 350 out of a possible 400 points, which averages to 87.5 points per car. Individually, car 10103, which didn't have coupler issues, did the best with 95 out of 100 points. All of the other cars scored 85. Using the average 87.5 point score, this set would get a B+ on a report card. This is a nice set of boxcars and it deserves a green signal. The boxcars in this set are really nice. If you're a fan of the Northern Pacific or just want some steam era boxcars for your railroad, I think you'll like them.